Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Drive. In today's video, I will be telling you about the new launches that happened in this week. But before starting with this, don't forget to subscribe to the Explore Drive YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss our news updates on automobiles. Now heading towards the first launch of this week. Audi launched 2021 S5 Sportback in India at a Rs 79.06 lakhs ex-showroom. Audi S5 Sportback is powered by 3-liter V6 turbo petrol engine that generates output of 354 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. However, engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and it gets the Quattro permanent all-wheel drive system. It can do 0 to 100 km/h sprint in 4.5 seconds and can go up to a top speed of 250 km/h. Front apron has lots of cuts and creases. Headlights are LED with matrix technology which is standard, and also rear taillights are LED. You also get the quad exhaust pipes with a chrome treatment. The front compartment has a fully loaded console which makes the cockpit driver oriented. Audi S5 Sportback is available in 9 color options. Next launch of this week is BMW 220i Sport. BMW launched 2 Series Gran Coupe 220i Sport at a Rs 37.90 lakhs ex-showroom. It is powered by 2-liter turbo petrol engine that generates out 190 horsepower and 280 Nm of torque. However, the engine is mated with 7-speed automatic transmission. Let's see a closer look on the design. It has the striking front design with LED headlights and the large air curtains. Not only this, it has an impressive rear design too, with LED rear taillights and a sporty rear bumper. The new BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe looks extremely elegant as well as sporty. BMW 220i Sport is available in 2 trim options excluding the M Sport variant. BMW 220i Sport is priced at Rs 37.90 lakhs and 220d Sport is priced at Rs 40.40 lakhs. Next launch in the row is Jaguar I-Pace. Jaguar launched all-electric I-Pace in India at a price range of Rs 1.06 to 1.12 crores. It is equipped with 90 kWh battery that provides 294 kW of power and 696 Nm of torque. On a single charge, it can range up to 470 km on the basis of WLTP drive cycles. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.8 seconds with a top speed of 200 km/h. Let's have a closer look on the inside. Dashboard feels luxurious with fine double stitching. However, the center console looks quite attractive with unique design. Sporty seats are available in a wide range of colors as well as materials. You also get the humongous panoramic sunroof which makes the cabin more airy. I-Pace is available in 3 variants: I-Pace S, I-Pace SE and the last one I-Pace HSE, which is the top variant. Next launch of this week was Mercedes A-Class Limousine. Mercedes-Benz launched A-Class Limousine and AMG A35 in India, and it will be available in single fully loaded variant, that is, there are no options of various trims. Mercedes-Benz A200 is priced at Rs 39.90 lakhs, A200D is priced at 40.90 lakhs and AMG A35 is priced at 56.24 lakh. Next news is of the Hyundai Alcazar. Hyundai Alcazar sketches revealed ahead of its launch. The side profile looks very much similar to the Hyundai Creta. This could be the 6-seater or the 7-seater configuration which will be launched in the month of May 2021. Recently, MG Motors announced that it has rolled out 50,000 production units of the Hector in just 2 years of span from its Halol plant in Gujarat. Interestingly, the 50,000th Hector was manufactured by all-women crew. Next news is of the Volkswagen Polo GT. Volkswagen has recently introduced Polo GT Matte Edition which will be debuting soon in the India market. However, Polo has carried forward its same design elements. Now heading towards the bike launches this week. Royal Enfield launched Continental GT 650 at a price range of Rs 2.91 to 3.13 lakhs ex-showroom. Under the fuel tank, it is powered by 650cc parallel twin engine which generates 47 horsepower and 52 Nm of torque, and the engine is mated with 6-speed gearbox. However, this bike has not received any mechanical changes from its predecessor. Royal Enfield Continental GT 650 is available in 5 color options. Single tone color is priced at Rs 2.91 lakhs ex-showroom, dual tone color is priced at 2.99 lakhs ex-showroom, and the chrome color is priced at Rs 3.13 lakhs ex-showroom. Next launch is of the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. Royal Enfield launched Interceptor 650 at a price range of 2.75 to 2.97 lakhs ex-showroom. It is powered by 650cc engine which generates out 47 horsepower and 52 Newton meters of torque. Interceptor 650 is available in 7 color options. Single tone color is priced at 2.75 lakhs ex-showroom. Dual tone color is priced at 2.83 lakhs ex-showroom, and the chrome color is priced at Rs 2.97 lakhs ex-showroom. Next launch is of the BMW M1000RR. BMW launched M1000RR in India at Rs 42 lakhs ex-showroom, while BMW M1000RR competition is priced at Rs 45 lakhs ex-showroom. These are the first M models from the BMW Motorrad as a completely built unit, or the CBU. BMW M1000RR is powered by 1 litre 4-cylinder engine which generates 212 horsepower and 113 Newton meters of torque. It can do 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.1 seconds with a top speed of 306 km per hour. Next launch news is from Hero MotoCorp. Hero launched Destiny 125 Platinum Matte Black Edition at Rs 72,000 ex-showroom. This comes with lots of chrome treatment like chrome handlebar ends, chrome mirrors, chrome muffler protector and chrome fender strip. It is powered by a 125cc engine that generates 9 horsepower and 10.4 Nm of torque, and this scooter features Hero's i3S system, or the idle start-stop system. Next news is of Triumph Trident 660. Triumph Trident 660 launch confirmed on 6th April 2021. It will be powered by a 660cc engine which generates 80 horsepower and 64 Nm of torque. It will be available in 4 color options. So this was all about the new launches that happened in this week. If you really find this news episode insightful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Explodrive YouTube channel. And to get all the latest updates on the automobile, do follow us on Instagram. Link for it will be available in the description. Thank you so much.